hell is a teenage girl.
What's up guys? So today I'm doing a Halloween video. I know in my last video I said see you in my next video and then I disappeared for like 3 months, but I'm back so it's fine now. Sorry I disappeared. Nothing has really changed except my hair, and I've got new glasses so I can see when I'm recording and I can see that I am in focus. I also just got my wisdom teeth out a week ago, so if my face is swollen and ugly, I know. I could take off my glasses now. I don't need them now that I know that I'm in focus. So today's makeup look is gonna be like the devil. Yeah, it's the devil. I saw this picture of Charlie XCX and this picture of Ariana Grande and I was like, I should mix them. So I went to Walmart and I got these. They were $3, so I mean, inexpensive costume ideas video. And they're not that cute. They're just like, they're kind of cute actually. I'm starting with my face today, which I usually don't do, but I don't know, I just feel like being a little crazy. This is the Smashbox primerizer. I love this primer. It's the only primer I've used that actually makes a difference. I don't know if I said that in my last video. How long have I been using that primer? If I have been using it since then that's how you know it's a good product. Also, I already have my eyebrows done, as you can obviously tell. I've actually had these on since 1 p.m. It's 10:30 p.m. because I was gonna film this earlier and then I didn't because my whole family came home and I'm just really insecure, okay? I'm also gonna use Maybelline Baby Skin because I have ginormous pores, so I'm gonna be mixing these two. This is the NARS Sheer Glow in Gobi and then the H2O Skin Tint from Pixi in number 1. I'm literally like out of this foundation, but I don't want to buy a new one because it's so expensive. Like literally empty. I bought a mirror. Things have changed. This has like no coverage because I've become a Glossier type girl. I don't know what happened, but I just like hate foundation and makeup now. So subscribe to my makeup tutorial channel. So this basically is just gonna even out your skin tone and that's it. So if you're into it, then yeah. If you're not, you can use whatever foundation you want. I mean, I'm not a foundation cop, so I don't know what that was. If you don't like BB creams, but like you want the BB cream look, I would recommend getting the skin tint because it's not as like greasy, because that's why I don't like BB creams. That was the Maybelline Age Rewind. I feel like this is just like boring me doing my face because it's just like everybody does their face like basically the same. Well, not really, but it's like it's foundation, concealer, powder. I'm also putting that concealer on my eyelid, you know, to prime a little. I'm like so bored because I'm just blending. Like, do you ever just feel bored like doing your makeup? Like, it's so boring sometimes, you know? Especially like face makeup, because like you're just doing what you do all the time. For the most part, like your face routine doesn't change, you know, because like once you find things that like look good with your skin, like you want to just keep using them. So it gets kind of boring. I mean, like I guess I could just try new things, but why fix it if it's not broke, right? I'm just like kind of setting my face. Like I just set it in random areas. I don't know. I've been getting really greasy in my forehead, so I set my forehead now. And then I just like tap the whatever excess just all over. Perf. I don't know why I said perf. I'm so sorry. I've never said perf in my life. That really disturbed. Like, why did I say that? Anyways, I was using the Queen Coconut Luxury Powder. This is my favorite powder right now. It has been for a while. I swear I'm doing the same exact stuff I did in my last video. My last video was literally a year ago, so. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing the fun part. Warning, this makeup look will stain the f out of your face. I did try it before, but I only left on for 1 minute, so it didn't stain a lot. It came off when I washed my face. If you're wearing this on Halloween, like it's gonna stain your eyes. But I mean, just wear concealer the next day, or just don't leave your house. Or leave your house, who cares, own it, you know? Like, I don't even know how you could find something red that wouldn't stain you. Like, even if I didn't use this on my eyes, it would probably still stain if I just did like eyeshadow, so. Because red pigment, it stains, like no matter what, so. Love that for us. I'm using the Anastasia liquid lipstick. I don't know if this is safe for your eyes, but I'm gonna use it there, so. It's in the color Spicy. And I'm gonna use this Coastal Scents like small angled brush to do this. Basically what we're doing is creating, I thought it was called a cut crease, but I guess it's not, which kind of makes sense because it's not, it's like on your lid, it's not in your crease. But I was trying to figure out what it was called and I was googling and something said like graphic shape eyeshadow. Yeah, I don't know, but you saw the pictures. That's the kind of look we're going for. I also think that these kind of eye looks look horrible on me, including cut creases. So I want it to be more like Ariana's, where it's just like a circle, than Charlie's, who's like winged out, because I hate that on me. So now it looks like this. It literally took me so long to do this and make it look how I wanted it to look, but I think they look fine. This one looks good. This one looks fine. So once you have the shape that you want, I'm going to be setting this with Galactic from this one, from the Solar Flare palette from BH. I love this palette. And you could use like glitter or something, but I hate glitter, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna set this before I do the under eye because I don't want it to crease more than it already is. I know I didn't really explain how I did this, but basically you just create the shape you want and then fill it in, which I know that's not very helpful, but what I did was I followed my like natural crease and I went up a little bit, like when you make a half cut crease is kind of what I did, and then I just followed my crease and then made it like a wing, and I did my wing like, I don't know, just, I know I'm the worst person to explain things ever. Also, I'm sorry that I was literally silent that whole time, but like I couldn't even breathe, let alone talk, you know. Now for the drips, what I'm gonna do coming under my eyes, I'm gonna be using this Morphe M515, which is just a really small like circular-ish brush. I'm hoping this works. I mean, like what I'm banking on is that it's Halloween and it'll be dark and people shouldn't be that close to you in light, so I'm just gonna do like drips basically, and I'm gonna start like at the eye and then just do a couple. Okay, they looked really bad, so I basically just made them look splotchier, so it like looked like I was doing it on purpose. And taking that same brush, I wiped it off. Oh my god, can I stop moving this? Jeez. I'm gonna take Galactic again and go over those. Okay, so I applied lashes and mascara. I used the lashes in Decadent. I don't know how to talk. In Decadent from Kel Sweet on Instagram. And then I used Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I'm going to be bronzing / contouring my face now. I'm using the Butter Bronzer. My camera died. I'm gonna be using the Sleek Makeup Solstice Highlighting Palette. I forgot about this. It's so beautiful. I'm using that shade. My camera cut me off because it ran out of space, but I applied blush. I applied this blush in the Contour Intuitive Warm Zone palette from NYX. I'll just pretend like it never happened. Yes. Now I'm just going to take the Spicy liquid lipstick and apply that to my lips. And I think we'll be done with this. My lips are not moisturized enough for this. I don't like how direct the different colors. I applied that lip gloss to make it more like the same red tone as the eyes, but I feel like the eyes are still like more pale, but it definitely looks better. I'll be right back. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, subscribe, like, comment. I don't know. I'm gonna try to do some more videos. I'm sorry, I keep looking at the monitor. I'm gonna try to do a couple more Halloween tutorials before Halloween like comes, but don't take my word obviously because I'm a liar when it comes to YouTube. So, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Am I lying? I'm not, because the next video will eventually come.